You know, most fathers, they leave a legacy, they leave watches, tools, maybe even money. But I'm leaving behind a small box of pipe tobacco. Not because pipe tobacco is valuable, but time is. Let's get into it. Gentlemen, welcome back to House of Manners. In today's video, we're going to talk about legacy, leaving something behind for the next generation. I've talked about this many times before. I have two boys. In fact, I'm getting a little nostalgic this week as my oldest son graduates high school this year. In fact, he's graduating in a couple of days. And I wanted to leave something behind, something that wasn't just about pipe tobacco. It was more about legacy, memory. It was more about showing them that, hey, I loved you enough to set some things aside for you that you can enjoy at a later date. I'm sure everybody here at some point in time has been blessed enough to try some kind of vintage tobacco, something that says Dunhill, something that is from McClellan from many years ago. I know at Muletown, I was blessed to be able to try a pipe tobacco from the 1970s, and it was absolutely an amazing experience. So to have that knowledge now, to set a few things aside for them, I think it's something that's really, really important. I mean, if you think about it, tobacco changes with age. You know, Virginias get a little darker, sugars develop, things become a little more flavorful. They become a little more complex with time. And I want to take some of these tobacco blends that from today and share that with them when they're older. So I'm putting together a goodie box for them, and I want to seal it up nice and tight and put a nice big sticker on it that says, do not open till 2046. I hope I'm still around to enjoy it with them, but if not, hopefully I can leave them something that they know that I was thinking of them when I put it together. There's almost something sacred about opening an old tin, especially one that someone intentionally saved for you. Think about that for a minute. A man like me here years earlier bought this tobacco, put it away, trusted it to transform over time. You know, that's what fathers do. We plant trees that we'll never sit under. We build things we may not even fully see, but I want my sons to open one day a tin of this tobacco and know that it was cellared before they became men. Maybe before they even understood what the hobby meant to me. And when they open it, I hope they won't just smell tobacco. I hope they'll smell some memories. So if you're looking to start a cellar for your boys, then I would definitely recommend some variety. That's what I've got here. I've got a good variety of things here. You want to stick with Virginias. You want to stick with Virginia Periques. You want to stick with really high quality English blends. You don't probably want to stay away from aromatics and even probably aromatic Englishes. Just because they probably don't age as well. Burleys probably don't age very much either. So I would definitely stick with the Virginias, the Vapors, and the real English blends, and get some variety and get some fun stuff here. Like me, I'm Presbyterian mixture, one of my favorite English blends of all time. I'm gonna put a note on that. I'm sticking an Esoterica in there because this was like the hype of this generation. Everybody wanted an Esoterica, so they can have that. Some older McBaron blends that's no longer in production, the old dark fired. And then Bold Kentucky, like stuff like this, things that are fun and unique. Also putting in an old Dunhill mixture because this is already old. It's already old to our standards. So to have some fun things like that. Putting a capstan in there, let them know this was Tolkien's favorite blend that he used to smoke. So just having a variety of things that's to put in here that's a lot of fun that I think will probably age really nice. Some special releases from Cornell and Deal. I've got several of their releases as well, but just doing a nice variety of fun things that they can hopefully enjoy and experience together. And like I said, hopefully I'm around when they're able to do it, but if not, I'm hopefully leaving something to them that they will enjoy and be glad they have. Also, I'm going to stick a couple of bottles of whiskey in there as well, just because these are 2 bottles that I always enjoyed drinking around the house when I was able to find them. 1792 bottle and bond, you can find that a lot more nowadays, but Elmer T. Lee is still hard to find. But I have a couple extra bottles of them, so I thought it'd be fun to stick that in there as well. My hope is that one day my boys will sit together and maybe they'll open one of these tins, light a pipe, and maybe they'll think for a minute. They'll say, man, it feels like my old man's sitting here right next to me. I hope that's the case. I really do. And to cap it off, we're gonna put it in a Star Wars box. That's very fitting because me and my boys, that's one thing we've shared since they were born. We're huge Star Wars fans, and we've watched every single Star Wars thing known to man together. The good, the bad, the ugly, even the new shows that have been highly criticized. We watched it all together just because it's been our thing. We've always enjoyed that and had a lot of fun doing that over the last 18 years. So it's been quite a journey. So, but it's been a lot of fun. You know, in a world that's addicted to speed and instant gratification, it's cool to do something like this, set something aside for them that they can hopefully appreciate at a much later date, to be able to understand this was a big part of their dad's life. So gentlemen, what are you leaving behind? Is it mere possessions or is it a legacy? Wait, listen, we really hope that you enjoyed this type of material. If you like it, please hit that subscribe button and join our community. Here at House of Manners, we are all about the pursuit of the gentlemanly arts, whether it be whiskey, cigars, pipes, pipe tobacco, craftsmanship, or just becoming better men. Until next time, peace.